My name is Rahul and welcome to my YouTube channel Train and Test. Today I'm going to take you through one of the functions in Excel which can really help you save a lot of time. Many a times we end up with a data wherein we have the values in a different measurement unit, and in order to process the data we want to convert that into a specific unit, and we end up on Google searching for the exact factor to convert. Now in Excel we have a function which can do that for us without worrying about the conversion factor. Now the function I'm talking about is convert function, and the syntax of this convert function is very simple. It just takes three inputs. First is the number, second is from unit, which is the unit in which the number is right now, and to unit is going to be the unit in which you want the number to be. Now it has a lot of conversion units which are built in, and for this tutorial I'll focus on probably 3 or maximum 4 most practical ones which I usually come across. First would be the most common, temperature, wherein from a degree centigrade I would want to convert a particular value into degree Fahrenheit. Weight, majority of the times I get weight in kilograms, but the data demands it to be in pounds. We would also look at the area conversion, wherein a particular value which comes in square meters, we would see how to change them into square yards. And to take up one more example, maybe changing the speed from meter per second to miles per hour. As I said, the syntax is very simple. I want to change the temperature, which is 12 degrees centigrade, into Fahrenheit, convert a weight which is 72 kgs into pounds, take up the area of 150 square meters and want to convert it into square yards, and 5 meters per second into a miles per hour. Now to convert it, I'll just write the function convert. Number is 12. The from unit is, in this case, it's gonna be capital C, which stands for degree Celsius, and capital F to change it into degree Fahrenheit. Here you go. The answer is in front of you. So this 12 degrees centigrades is 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Now to convert 72 kgs into pounds, I will simply write the function convert, select the number 72. I know the representation of kilogram is kg, and for pound it is lbm, which is pound mass, and I'll press enter. So I get the value of 158.7 pounds for a 72 kg. For area of 150 square meter, let me convert that into square yards. Convert 150 square meter, though meter is represented with a letter small m. To make it square meter, I'll just power it up with 2, and if I want to change it to square yards, it would be yd, which is for yards, and raised to the power 2 for square yards. And for speed, I'll again quickly use the formula 5 meter per second, which is ms, 2 miles per hour, which is gonna be mph. So here you see the magic of this function, wherein I did not Google any conversion factor for a degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit, and I got all my answers. I hope you like this video. If you have any topics or functions you want me to cover, please do mention them in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.